Hello everyone, welcome to the Narayana Network, an amazing platform for the preparation of IIT and NEET. Amazing platform in the sense we have a team of IITians and doctors who have produced really amazing results, good results in IIT and NEET exams. So many ranks within top 10, within top 100. Okay, so many times. So today we are going to discuss the second chapter of 10th class in mathematics, that is polynomials. Before starting polynomials, we'll discuss one thing: the difference between expression and equation. The difference between expression and equation. Because this we will be using. Expression is when we write something like x plus 1, x squared plus x minus 2, 2x cubed plus x squared minus 3x plus 4, something. These are expressions. When we write x plus 1 by x, when we write x squared plus square root x plus 1, these are expressions. And equation is when we write 2x minus 1 equal to 0. So the basic difference, I think now that will be clear. There will be always equality. We can always write equal to 0 type. Means we can solve, we can find the value of x or values of x if more than 1. So here we can solve, we can find x equal to 1 by 2. Here we cannot solve because there is nothing like equality. We cannot equate right equal to 0 type. Okay, so this is the basic difference. If I have x squared minus x equal to 0, this is an equation. If we have x cubed minus 2x squared plus x equal to 0, this is an equation. Okay, means we can always equate with 0 and we can always solve. How to solve that we'll discuss later on. Okay, but we can solve, we can find values of x. So this is the main difference between expression and equation. Now come to polynomial. So first of all, polynomial expression. Expression we can also call function. Polynomial function. So what is polynomial function? If I write x plus 1, this is a polynomial function, and this is x means x to the power 1. Degree of this is 1. What is degree? Degree means highest power of x. So highest power of x here is 1. This is constant term. Constant term is actually x to the power 0 term. 1 means what? 1 means x to the power 0 actually. Okay, if you have any other constant, that's a 2. So you will say 2 means 2 into 1 means 2 into x to the power 0. So constant term is x to the power 0 term, then you have other terms. Okay, and degree is the highest power of x. For example, we have the polynomial x squared plus 2x minus 3. Okay, so this is the polynomial equation and this is having degree 2. Okay. Now let's say we have 4x cubed minus x squared plus 3x plus 1. This is also a polynomial of degree. What is the degree? 3. Highest power of x is here 3. Okay. Degree 1 polynomial is also called linear function. Linear function or polynomial. Degree 2 polynomial is also called quadratic. Quadratic polynomial. Degree 3 polynomial is also called cubic. Cubic polynomial. Okay, we have to remember these names. Why? Because in the problems in the books they will be using linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial, cubic polynomial. Okay? Linear polynomial is in your syllabus in 10th class. Quadratic also you have some part we will be discussing. Okay, and in 11th we will be discussing properly. In the rankers batch we will discuss in 10th only. Quadratic we will cover some part of the syllabus in the rankers batch, depending upon how many students are performing well. Okay, and the number of the students are kept very means not more than 30-40, very less. So it will all depend upon how much sincere efforts you are putting, how much you are scoring in the test, and how much assignments you are doing, because we will be tracking the assignments through the software. We can track what is your accuracy, how much you are doing. So according to that we'll put you into that rankers batch. Okay, we'll ask you before putting in the rankers batch. That all depends on your wish. So cubic we'll be discussing later on, because cubic is in the syllabus of IIT JEE. So that we'll be discussing, or for Olympiad batch we can discuss cubic polynomial. So I think now polynomial function is a bit clear to you. Now you can ask whether each expression is a polynomial, and this is the actually very important thing, because so many students make mistakes. Okay, whether each expression is a polynomial. So this is a polynomial of degree 1, this is a polynomial of degree 2, this is a polynomial of degree 3, but this is not a polynomial. Why? Because this contains 1 by x. 1 by x means x to the power minus 1, x to the power minus 1 term. A polynomial cannot have x to the power minus 1, x to the power minus 2, negative power, or x to the power 1 by 2, like this. This is not a polynomial. Okay, why? Because this is square root x to the power 1 by 2. Okay, so this is not a polynomial. Polynomial can contain this thing. You have to remember, you have to write, make a note, and you try to write everything very properly. Make your own notes. We'll provide everything in the PDF form, all the lecture. Okay, but try to write everything. Okay, making your own notes, that will be better for you. So try to write everything. So make a note. Polynomial contains all the terms of type x to the power n, where n is what? Minimum power of x can be 0 or 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5, so on, some integer, so on, up to infinity. Okay, or you can simply say n belongs to what? Whole number. N is a whole number. Okay, So power of x cannot be negative, cannot be fractional. If the power of x is fractional, that is not a polynomial, that is simply an expression. If the power of x is negative, then again that is not a polynomial, that is simply an expression. Okay, so write down everything, right? After this, we will be discussing zeros of a polynomial. Zeros of a polynomial. So in the next class, we'll continue with zeros of a polynomial. Okay. So I hope you will be loving this platform. Okay, and we will be taking care of everything. You won't be missing your classroom classes. Okay. Bye. Take care.